I've got my pan ready. This is another wonderful recipe from my Poppet in the toaster oven cookbook. This is beef ragout. And ragout, spelled R-A-G-O-U-T, is the French term for stew. And like so many of my toaster oven recipes, into a big bowl, everything goes. Then it's popped into the toaster oven. I'm starting with a pound of lean beef that I've cut into 1/2 inch cubes, 2 plum tomatoes, finely chopped, a small onion, finely chopped, 2 stalks of celery, finely chopped, 2 carrots, grated, a 10-ounce package of frozen peas, 3 garlic cloves, minced, a tablespoon of stone ground mustard, a teaspoon of dried cumin, a teaspoon of dried tarragon, a 1/2 cup of dry white wine, a 1/2 cup of water, freshly ground pepper. Mix well. Adjust seasonings to taste. A little more salt, more tarragon, and just a little more wine. I've preheated my toaster oven to 400 degrees. Covering this with aluminum foil. Popping the ragout into the toaster oven. For the ragout, that was an hour at 400 and then another 15 minutes uncovered just to concentrate those flavors even more. Call it ragout, call it stew. This is a wonderful, wonderful meal. Super simple to make. I love to serve it with mashed potatoes. Give this a try.